What is up, guys? So, today, you're gonna see this is quite a different place. We're in VR. Now, we're in the game called Animal Company. Now, follow me. Today's gonna be an introduction on the game. Now, just follow me. This is our shop. And you can buy different items here. Come look. See? Now, follow me. This is our stash machine. We can put all of our items in stash here. As you can see, I have a couple items. Now, keep following me. This is our quest board. You have all of your quests up here. Now, follow me yet again. We have our sell station. We can put our stuff in here and then sell it. Ooh. For nuts. Which you can see is on here. Now, keep following me. This is not Horizon. Go in here, and you'll go into VR inside of VR. Pretty cool, right? Keep following me. This is our Goop Inventions shop. You can purchase Goop Inventions you've previously made, or put Goop Inventions you have in there and save them right here. And this is basically our map. You have all sorts of quests here, all sorts of different places you can inspect. And you put previous VHS tapes you found all across the maps in here. Now keep following me. Come on up here. We have our friends list and/or lobby list, blocked list, notifications, anything else. Now, over here we have our terminal. You'll see this in quite a lot of games. This can show you which server you're in, if you want to go into a different server. Over here we have our mirror. And then finally, we're gonna head over to the Canopy Station. Or the shopping mall. I like to call it the shopping mall. We have different sets here you can buy. And then right here, you can change your appearance. There's always new limited time items in shop. And then you have Creative Studios. Follow me around. Sorry about that. Now, we have all sorts of different stages which you can set up. You can make movies here. Here's one of the stages. Looks to be some sort of office. Now keep following me. Over here, we have a news station. All sorts of movie themes. All in the grasp of a couple stages. Now, keep following me. That's basically Animal Company for you. Going to different places, discover new things. We'll do a lot of that through this series. Hopefully. We'll go into different places, create new inventions, kill monsters. Hopefully all of this will do.